Hey everyone, today we're doing an in-depth comparison of two powerful wet-dry vacuums, the Uwant D100 Pro and the Tineco S5. Both are excellent machines for cleaning hardwood floors, but they come with different features and price points. Let's take a closer look to see which one is the best fit for you. So let's start with the price. The Uwant D100 Pro comes in at a budget-friendly $299, while the Tineco S5 is priced at $499.99. That's a significant difference. So let's see what each vacuum offers for the price. Okay, so I'm gonna do the suction test and the cleanup test now. So the first one's gonna be the Uwant vacuum. So I'm gonna turn it on. I have coffee beans, ketchup stains, and cereal. So let's see how they perform.
Start cleaning.
Okay, so it cleans it up very nicely. Now I'm gonna do the Tineco. Turn it on. Same thing. So they both pick up the coffee, ketchup, and cereal very quickly and in 1 to 2 passes. So they work very well. So the Uwant also cleans up jelly, taco sauce, any wet mess that you could throw at it, it will clean it up quickly. And you just gotta pass it 1 to 2 times and it picks it up. And it leaves it as if no mess has ever happened. This also cleans up wet ice, dirty floors, from when your kids come home from the outside. Picks it up very easily and leaves your house brand new, nice and clean. So you can see how easily that the Uwant vacuum cleans the edges. And it picks up all the mess real quick. The Uwant uses a convenient push-in base station, while the Tineco requires a more involved lift-in-place setup. Another major difference is in the drying and cleaning of the floor brush. The Uwant uses hot air drying, which is faster and more efficient. The Tineco relies on centrifugal air drying, which takes more time. Finally, the Uwant offers floor brush cleaning, making maintenance a breeze, which is another feature missing from the Tineco. The Uwant also cleans at 180 degrees lie flat. So it works very well when it still lies flat. Other vacuums cannot do this. The cleaning tray is also waterproof, so you could clean this and wet it without having to worry that it's going to get messed up. You're also able to wash the brush without having to worry to get messed up. This is waterproof also. You're also able to wash this also. So you can see all the dirt from the ground and all the pieces that I picked up is stored here separated. The liquid is separated from the solids. So all you have to do, you're going to lift up the top like so. So you're just going to pour out the water. You see how dirty it is? So this deodorizing stick works great to keep the tank smelling nicely. Both vacuums have a 35-minute battery life, which is ideal for medium to large cleaning sessions. When it comes to water tank capacity, the Tineco S5 has a slightly larger freshwater tank at 720 millimeters compared to the 650 millimeters on the Uwant D100 Pro. Similarly, the sewage tank on the Tineco S5 is 800 milliliters compared to the 700 milliliters on the Uwant D100 Pro. While the Tineco has a slight edge in capacity, the difference is minimal and shouldn't significantly impact day-to-day cleaning. Now let's talk about usability and unique features where the Uwant D100 Pro really stands out. The Uwant D100 Pro features a floating handle that makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, reducing wrist strain. The Tineco S5 does not have this feature. The U1 can lie flat at a 180-degree angle, making it perfect for cleaning under furniture. Unfortunately, the Tineco does not offer this functionality. The U1 also has a unique triple-sided edge cleaning feature, allowing you to clean closer to edges and corners, while the Tineco does not. Here's a quick summary of the key differences. The Uwant D100 Pro is more affordable at $299 compared to the $449 for the Tineco S5. The Uwant D100 Pro offers floating handle design, lie flat cleaning, and triple-sided cleaning and hot air drying. The Tineco S5 has a slightly larger tanks, but the difference is minimal. Both vacuums have their strengths, but if you're looking for an affordable option with advanced features and easy usability, the Uwant D100 Pro is hard to beat. Which vacuum would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing either of these vacuums, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.